Hello students, good afternoon. Previously we have finished nouns and their types. Today we are going to discuss our unit 2 singular and popular nouns and its exercise. Okay students, so I hope you have read the unit 1 noun and their types and I'm considering that you might have done the exercise of it. Okay, so let's start. What is singular and plural nouns? Okay, so let's see the first slide. That is a single noun names one person, place, animal, or thing. Okay, what it is that a singular noun is indicating for one person only. For whom this understanding is the most important. See, a singular noun names one person, place, animal, or thing. If there is a one thing only, like one person you are indicating, so that will be a singular noun. There we will use as a singular noun. But when there are more than one, what it is? More than one. So in the time of more than one, we call it, we will use a plural noun, singular and plural. So when single person we are talking, that is our singular noun, and when we are talking about more than one person, place, animal, or thing, we call it as a plural noun. You understood the difference? Like I am talking about, if I am talking about one student or one girl in our class, so many girls are there, okay, suppose, or boys are there, okay. So what we will consider, that I am talking about one girl or one boy, okay. So what I will say, girl or boy, right? But if I am talking about all girls or all boys, if I am talking about all girl and all boy, what I will use, girls, as I will put, and I will use a plural noun out there, girls and boys, right? But so here you see some example is given, that girl, girls, fox, foxes, bus, buses, goose, geese, right? Goose and geese. So you see here, first side singular noun are girl, fox, bus, and goose. So whenever the one thing are there, one girl is there, or one fox are there, one bus are there, one goose are there, then we will write it in this way. But if you see in a plural nouns, so whenever the more than one it is there, then we will use plural noun, that is girls, foxes, buses, and geese. Okay student, so after that we will see the next point, that is forming plural nouns. So how we can form the plural nouns? So it has some rules to convert singular noun to plural nouns. So there are some rules which we need to follow, okay. So let's see one by one. In most cases we form the plural by adding s to the singular form. What it is? In most cases, what we are doing, that we are adding s. What we are doing? We are adding s there, okay. See, there are some examples is written, apple are there. So what you will do, simply if plural form is there, you will add s. Apples, door, doors, finger, fingers, pocket, pockets, pen, pens, ear, ears, right? So you are adding simply s after that noun. Apple, apples, door, doors, pen, pens, ear, ears. like that way you are doing, right? So let's discuss the second point. So what it is? In nouns that ends with s, double s, sh, ch, x. So if you find any like this way, okay, any words which is ending with s, double s, sh, ch or x, what we will do to convert those in a plural form? We will add es to the singular form. Whichever singular form is given, we will add es at the end. Like see the example, bus is there, you can write buses. Brush is there, es brushes. Bench is there, benches. Glass is there, glasses. Dish is there, dishes. And tax is there, taxis. So you see here I have wrote the all the singular form, that is bus, brush, bench, glass, dish, tax, and I have converted in the plural form, that is buses, brunches, brushes, benches, glasses, dishes, taxis, right? So in that way we can convert in plural noun. Third one is in nouns ending with o. Some nouns end with o. So what we will do with that? We will add es to the singular form. If ending is o, we will add es to that. Like see the example of mango, mangoes, tomato, tomatoes. Potato is a singular, then plural is potatoes. Volcano becomes volcanoes, right? So you see here I have added es in every word. But now if you see, there are some exceptions. There are some words are there which you cannot, which are ending with o, but you cannot put es. Okay, see I have written the exceptions, that some nouns ending with o that takes only s. So there are however some nouns ending with o that takes only s, not es. So these are the exceptional noun. First one is igloo. See ending is o but plural is igloos. I have just put one s, not two, right? So that is igloos. Second is kangaroo becomes kangaroos, piano becomes pianos, photo become photos, radio become radios, studio becomes studios. So you see every word has ending o, correct? But as our rule says we need to add es, but these are, this will not take es, this will only take s. So these are the exceptionals which only takes s. So you need to remember this point, what which are the exceptions. Okay student, so o will take yes, in exception few are taking as a s. Okay, so we have seen these 3 points. Let's go to the next point, that is in nouns ending with f or fe. Either nouns are ending with f or fe. So what we will do to convert those in a plural form? We will remove f and fe and we will change it to ves. So we form the plural by plural form. We form the plural by changing f or fe to ves. Okay, you see some examples I have written, knife are there, you are changing knives, right? So you are removing fe and you are putting vs. Knives, life, lives, wife, wives, leaf, leaves, thief, thieves, and you can say wolf, wolves, wolves, right? So you see here we are just simply removing f and fe and we are adding ves. So you see the example, it is very easy to understand it. Okay, and there are some exception also. Okay, what are there? There are some exceptions which not taking VS, they will only take S. Like in our previous case, some word nouns are there, they will not take ES after O, they takes S, that we have seen. Here also similar is there, some words are there, some nouns are there ending with A, they will take only S, not ES. So see the example is chiefs. Chief is there, then we will write it as chiefs. Roof, roofs, proof, proofs, hoof, hoofs, dwarf, dwarfs. So in bracket I have wrote dwarfs. Okay, that one we can convert in VS also, and we can write it as a only S also. In any one we can write dwarf. Okay, so you see here what we have done, that we have wrought nouns which will not take VES after changing F. This will take only S, not VES. So in exception I have explained some example, and it's and with normal also and exception also we have discussed, right? So let's see the next point. In nouns ending with Y with consonant before it. See, Y is consonant before it. See, this is Y is there and consonant before it. We form plural form by changing Y to IS. Consonant, it means our vowels word is there, right? Vowel word is there, vowel word is there, like A, E, I, O, U. These are vowel words which is not coming before Y. You see in example, army, there is before Y M is there. Baby, before Y there is B. City, before Y there is a T. Pony, before Y there is a N. So this all will take IES in the end. After we will change Y by IES. So you see the army plural form is armies, baby plural form is babies, city plural form is cities, pony plural form is ponies. There is a puppy also, you can write the puppy will become puppies, story will become stories. Okay, those example also you can write. So after that for Y only, but see this one we have seen for consonant, if before consonant is there. But what if before vowels is there? If vowels is there, we will simply add S. Okay, you see here. In that I have wrote that in nouns ending with Y with vowel before it, we form the plural by adding S to it. See, below example is there BOY. So Y before Y there is O. DAY. Before Y there is A. TOY. Before Y there is O. TRAY. So before Y there is A. So all of these have before Y a vowel word, right? So we will simply put S, not we will change to IES. So boy become boys, day will become days, donkey will become donkeys, toy will become toys, tray will become trays, monkey will become monkeys. Okay. So donkey and monkey example I have not written, you can write it down. Donkeys and monkeys. So let's discuss the next point. In nouns ending with IS, what we'll do, we will change IS to ES. Whenever the noun ending with IS, see the example, axis, then axis, basis, basis, crisis, crisis, oasis, oasis. See, I have changed IS to ES. You can easily understand how we can convert. And next is in nouns ending with us. Okay, if ending word are U and S, we form the plural by changing US to I. So US we will change to I. So see the example, that alumnus, fungus, syllabus, So in this you see alumni, fungi and syllabi, right? I have changed. Nucleus will become nuclei. So this way you can remove us and you can put I if you are changing to plural form. Okay. So whenever us comes in the last of the noun ending with us, noun ending with us, you will change it to I. The last point is in nouns ending with au. If the word is ending with au, what we will do? We will simply add x to that noun. Okay, we will simply add x to that noun. You see the example tableau, table, tableaux, tableaux, chateau, chateaux, plateau, plateaux. Right? And here plateau is there, plateaux. You can write it as a plateaus also. Okay. You can see this. I wrote it there, plateaus. Same chateaux also you can write chateaus. You write it this way also if you want to write. Any two is possible. You can write it as QS. Okay. This also is a fine. This also you can use and that also you can use. So you see here I have given both example which you can use for that. Okay. WX, ZUX, Plateau, Plateaux. Okay, student. Okay. So let's see the next one. Point to remember. Which are the points we need to remember? Okay. What are the points we need to remember? So some nouns do not change at all, have the same singular and plural forms. See in this some nouns are there. For those noun what is there? That they don't change their form. They will remain as it is. Like aircraft is there. Aircraft in a plural or in a singular form will remain same only. It will not get change. Okay student. Similar way dice, furniture will become furniture, headquarters, headquarters, luggage, luggage, moose, moose, news, news, sheep, sheep. So this will remain as it is. Not it will not get change. Okay students. So I hope you have understood this point. We always use nouns such as scissors, spectacles, trousers, pajamas in the plural. So these are some nouns are there which we will use as it is. How we are using? We are using in a plural itself. In a sentence also we use it as a plural. So let's read the two example I have written in your book. There are so many example, 2 3 more are there. You can read it. That use my scissors because they are sharp. See scissors, you are using plural only. Okay. Second, Raja's shorts are red in color. What it is that Raja's shorts are red in color. You will say shorts, not short. Okay. Similarly, my father bought new spectacles last week. Mohan's trousers are very well styled. Harish, Harish ran out the house in his pajamas. So you see, this all word. See, we are discussing on one person only. See, we are discussing on Raja only. So, but we have used shorts, right? So that is plural. So what it indicates? These are the few words are there which will be used in a plural form only, right? So we will use those in a plural form. Okay student. So let's see the next point, that some are there fish, right? When you write fish, you will write it in a single form only, like fish remain fish when we talk of fish. Whenever we discuss on a fish, we will talk fish only, not fishes. But when we will use fishes, when we talk different species of fish, we will discuss different types of fishes, that time we will use fishes. When we discuss different types of fish, we will use as a fishes. You see, I have given two example. There were many fish in the pond. There was a variety of fishes in the pond. Many fish, that is singular, right? And variety, that is plural. So fishes we have used. Okay, student. So similar way, for fruit also we can write that way. For fruit, if we are talking one type, then we will use fruit. But if we are talking so many types of fruit, we will use as a fruits. You see example, we should eat plenty of fruit. There you are using for discussing for one fruit, but there were a large variety of fruits in the basket. So in basket there are so many types of fruit are there, so you use fruits. Okay. And in the last, there are some nouns are there. If you convert in a plural form, they will not convert in a plural form as our rules. They are like, they are not following any rules. So some nouns are irregular. We call it as irregular nouns, and they don't follow any rules. They change differently. Okay. So I have wrote down the, like child is there, we will convert as children. See, there are, whatever we have discussed, it is not there, right? That rule cannot be applied here. Man will become man, woman will become woman, foot will become feet, louse become lice, mouse become mice, ox become oxen, tooth become teeth. So you see here that our rules are not adapted here, right? In this chapter, our rules are not used. So what it is here, that these are not following the rules of our plural nouns. Okay. So now what we'll do, we will do the exercise. Now we have understood what are the rules we need to follow. Okay. So we will do now exercise. Which exercise? Our unit 2 exercise. So let's discuss the first one. Oh, what it says, complete this table, one has been done for you. See, plural noun is given. We need to convert in a single noun. In our theory, in our chapter, we have discussed single to plural. So we are going to now do reverse. Like calves is there, that will be calf, right? So ladies will become lady, right? Is we are going to change to y becomes is, gentleman. So gentleman will become gentleman. So this is the random one, irregular one. If you remember, then it will become gentle man. It will not become men. Men is a plural, singular is a man. This last point only we have discussed. You see, man and man. So similarly, gentleman. Boxes will become box. Correct. Children will become child. If you know the example, you can easily answer. Volcanoes become volcano, right? Volcano. Roofs become roof. See, these are the exceptional. O will take S, not ES. So this one is a roof. Woman will become woman, right? Armies will become Y. IS will change it to Y, so it will be R me. Berries become berry. Fingers, that is finger. Single finger you are talking, then finger. Teeth will become tooth, because we have seen already this is irregular. Tooth becomes teeth, so teeth become tooth in a singular form. Similarly, stairs are there. Stairs will become stairs only, because this is the exceptional, that is not changing its form. Okay, this is will be written in a singular and plural same. Trousers also the same. Then geese will is goose, right? Mice is mouse. So here see, in exercise mostly is given from irregular only, but remains few are given with our y and ies. So this is too easy to do that, right? You just need to write plural form to single form, that's it. So nothing is difficult here. So let's see the next exercise. So what we need to do here, rewrite these sentences by changing the singular nouns to their plural forms. So here one is done for us. The cook took the knife and cut the tomato. So what we need to do here, that we need to convert in a plural form. The sentence we need to convert in a plural form. So that cook is a single word. So we will write in a cooks. Took the knife will become knives and cut the tomatoes. So all the singular form we will convert in a plural form. The man took his ox to the field. So the man will become men, man took his, will become there, because that also will convert in a plural form. His is there. Ox will become oxen, that is also plural form. We need to write to the fields, to the fields, correct? You see, man will become man, his will become there, ox become oxen, and field become fields. So we have converted all of these four in a plural form. So you need to understand the rules of a plural form. You can easily answer this exercise. There is no difficulty at all. Okay. Third one is, the buck and the duck followed the buffalo into the village. Okay. So here buck is there, will become bucks, duck will become ducks, and village becomes villages, and buffalo also become buffaloes. So we can write it as the bucks and ducks followed the buffaloes into the villages, right? We are using simple as there, right? We are just following our rules. Most of the case we are adding s, that is our general rule. So that we have followed here. We spotted the moose on the road in the university. What we did, we spotted the moose. Moose is already in a plural form, so it will remain same. Moose on the road. Road will become on the roads, right? It will take s. In the universities, y is there in the y is there in university, universities. See here, y before y there is t, not vowels word, right? Vowels alphabet, right? So it will take ies for cities. So universities. Okay student, you understood how we converted this one? Yeah. The fifth one is, the person stopped to listen to the music the child was playing. So in this, the person is there, stopped to listen to the music the child was playing. So one child is playing the music, so person. So we will write person will become people. So person is singular, plural is people. Stopped to listen listen to the music. Music. The child will become children was playing. Sorry, was will become were, because we are going in a plural form. Was we use in a singular form. Here we need to use were. So child will become children, person will become peoples, and we can finish the answer. The chef made a tasty salad with strawberry and another fruit. So here we are going to convert in a plural form. Chef will become chaps. The chefs made a tasty salads. Salad will become salads, because we are going to convert in a plural form, so it will take as. With the strawberry will become strawberries. Y, before Y there is R, not vowel word, so it will take IA, strawberries and another fruits. Right? We wrote a plural form of it. Seventh one is, the officer ordered his army to fight the war. So what did they did that one? Officers. Officer will become officers. It will take as, mostly take as, correct. Ordered his armies. His will become their, that we already discussed. We need to convert in a plural, so his plural is their armies. Before Y there is M, not vowel word, so it will take IS, to fight the wars, not single war, it will multiple, like that's why we are converting in a plural, wars. I broke my tooth as I slipped on step. So how we will convert this, that tooth is a plural, right? I broke my tooth is singular, we are going to convert in a plural, that is teeth. As I slipped on the step will become steps, right? So we are simply adding as and y are the mostly example is given. So we have done this exercise, we have converted into the plural form. And the next exercise is, rewrite these sentences by changing the plural nouns to their singular form. So what we need to do here, we need to change plural noun into singular. In the previous exercise what we have done singular to plural. Here we are going to do plural to singular. Okay, there is no difference. Like India won the cricket matches. So India won cricket matches. Matches is the plural, so we converted into the match. So India won the cricket match. Correct. So let's see the second. The volcanoes on the Plateau X erupted many years ago. So you see volcanoes, that is a plural, which we should convert in a volcano, and the Plateau X will become plateaus, right? So let's write the volcano on the plateaus, plateau AU will, right? Plateau erupted a year ago, because many is a plural, so we need to convert in a singular, so a year ago. Okay. Third one is, the camels rested under the trees in the oasis. So camels is a plural, then trees are plural, plural, oasis is a plural, right? So those we will convert in a singular form. So the camel rested under the tree in the oasis, right? So this is the correct answer. Fourth one is the chimneys of the studios had to be cleaned with wire brushes. So here chimneys is a plural, studios is a plural, then brush is also plural, right? So all of this we need to convert in a singular form. The chimneys, s is there, so we will convert in a chimney. Chimney of studios. So after o there is s, that is we will remove, right? Of the studio had to be had to be cleaned with wire brush. So brush, why we wrote? Because brush is a plural form, correct? Fifth one is the horses ran away with their colts from the stable. So here colts, horses and stables, these are the plural form which we need to convert. The horses, in the horses if you see, in the horses if you see es is there, right? So we will write it as a horse. Okay, horse ran away with, there is the given, right? So there also will convert, there will convert it as its, because horse is an animal, so for animal we use it, so it's called from the stable, right? Sixth one is, what is sixth one? The politicians ordered their secretaries to come early to the offices. So politicians is plural, there also will be change, secretaries also plural, and offices also plural. So this all will convert into singular. The politician, what is that? The politician ordered his, there will become his, okay, his secretary to come early to the offices will become office, right? So if you are not able to see, then let me put here now. Okay, now I think you are able to see that, correct? Yeah, right. So let's see the seventh one, what it is. The knowledge and advice our teachers give in is invaluable. Okay, so here teachers in a plural form, which will convert in a singular. The knowledge and advice our teachers will become teacher gives is invaluable, right? So here we have converted teacher. And the last one is the man took the loaves of bread and the slice of cheese to the guests in the garden. So here man, loaves, cheese, guest, gardens, these are the plural, we need to write it in a singular. So let me write, the man took the loaf. Loaf is loaves, okay, of bread and a slice of cheese. See, this will remain same, okay, to the guest in the garden. Garden. There is no gardens. We will write it as a garden only. So let's see. Yeah, you can see here. So I have converted all the sentences, that is in a plural form. I have converted into singular form. See, if you remember the rules, it is easy to write, it is easy to convert, okay. Guest will become guests will become guest, gardens will become garden, loaves will become loaf, man will become man. So this way you can easily convert if you remember the rules, okay. There is no difficulty at all, okay students. Okay, so let's go to the next. Our exercise I think got over. Our exercise got over. So now what we will discuss? We will discuss the spelling word. What are the spelling word? I have already told you that we will discuss in every class 10 spelling word. That one we will discuss. First, annual. That is every year, occurring once every year. Right? This is simple one, you remember that annual. Annual means occurring once every year, like birthday occurring annually, right? Anniversary comes annually, that is. Second is appointed, decided on beforehand or designated. So if we are recruiting any member in our team, suppose our cricket team is there and we are recruiting one captain, okay. So if we fixed our one captain, what we will say? He is appointed for our cricket team wicket keeper. So that way, appointed is to give a designated, already given designation or decided on beforehand. So we have decided to recruit that person. Then third one is arrange. Pronunciation is arrange, and meaning is put in a neat, attractive or required order. So arrange means we need to put everything, that is in our exercise we might have seen that the words are in given not order, right? The words are in not order, please put it in a correct order. So what we are doing, we are arranging that, we are putting in correct order. So that is the meaning of arrange, that put in a neat, attractive or required order. Fourth one is attention. So I will ask you to give attention on board, right? So what you are doing, that you are looking, taking in notice. When you are taking a notice, that means you are giving attention. So attention meaning is notice taken or of someone or something. A while, for a short time. A while means for a short time, so for some time. So for a while, I will do this. So for a short time I will do this, like that way you can say. Beginning, so something is starting, that you will say beginning. The point in a time or space at which something begins, something starts, that is beginning. Bruise, that is an injury appearing as an area of discolored skin or on the body. See, in our body if we got hurt, right, so there is some discolor area will be there, right? So that color will be different from our body color, so that we call it as a bruise, okay. An injury appearing as an area of discolored skin on the body. Business, what is a business? An activity that someone is engaged in. So that is an activity. You are doing homework, so that you are doing your homework, then what you will say? I am not disturbing to your business. That what is your business? That is you are currently engaged with your homework, so that is your business. So business means an activity that someone is engaged in. So someone is engaged with some work, that we call it as a business. calves. What is a calves? That a pair of hardwood sticks used to make a hollow sound when struck together. So it is one kind of two sticks are there, right? And they struck together, right? They struck to each other. So at the time that some voice also comes. So that kind of thing, struck wooden sticks, that kind of wooden stick we call it as a calves, which makes sound when struck together. It is one kind of one kind of instrument type, right? Capital. So capital has so many meanings. So here capital I have explained, that is where the city government and administrative center of country region. So the city or town that functions as the seat of government and administrative center of a country or a region, that we call it as a capital. Like India capital is Delhi, right? So from Delhi every rules comes and every government decision has been taken from Delhi, correct? So Delhi is our India capital. So if we consider Gujarat state, so which city is our Gujarat capital? That is Gandhinagar, right? That is Gandhinagar. From Gandhinagar only we get our order for Gujarat state. So Gandhinagar is our capital. So we have learned all the spelling words. So in homework student, what you need to do, read the chapter, understand it, then do the exercise in your notebook and textbook, where both place you write it down without seeing the solution. First time you can see, but second time doing a homework in a notebook, what you do, you don't see the solution and try to do that. And you need to write down all these spelling words 5 times. Okay student, you need to write it down 5 times. Okay, so here we have finished our unit 2. What we have done, we have finished our unit 2, which is singular and plural form. We will discuss next chapter in our next class. Okay, thank you.